How to save documents as photos on Android. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing we're going to do is to head over to our Play Store. Now you want to go to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and tap on search. Now go ahead to search for PDF to IMG and then tap on install. Now we are going to be tapping on open. Now you want to tap on accept and continue. Now the next thing to do is to tap on select PDF file, and these are all the PDF files I have on my phone. You want to go ahead and select the one you would like to convert today. Now kindly check the box on the document and you're going to be clicking on the arrow at the bottom of your screen. Now over here you can select the image quality and you can also select the format of the image that you want to convert. And when you are done, you want to tap on the arrow at the bottom of your screen. And now guys, this is how easy it is to save documents as photos on Android. Now I would like to show you the document in its picture format, and this is what it looks like as a photo. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.